Finally, we come to the most important of the 7 steps to financial freedom, and the one that's most frequently forgotten. I'm sure you've heard the axiom, what gets measured gets managed. It's exactly the same when it comes to wealth creation. I know how busy your life is. Only a busy person would be interested in a video series like this. Chances are you're different to most people, serious about success, ambitious for the future, maybe a bit disappointed by where you are today. I'm a great believer that we tend to overestimate what we can achieve in 1 year and massively underestimate what we can achieve in 5 years. That's another way of saying that real success tends to come to those who persist. Put the strategies in this series into action today. Follow them for a year and you'll see some real progress. Follow them for 5 years and you'll experience transformation. What will keep you going through all the daily ups and downs year after year? Clear, unambiguous evidence that you're making progress. And for that, you need to measure. You could do it daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. Even doing so on an annual basis will put you ahead of 95% of the population. I suggest monthly. It's long enough to see some difference in the numbers, but short enough to take some corrective action if you're falling behind. Once you're into a routine, it should take no more than an hour a month. There are 2 things you're going to measure. First, a snapshot of your net worth at this moment in time, and then an estimate of your passive income for the 12 months from today. All you need is an Excel spreadsheet. On the left, you list all your assets, including property, savings, businesses. Use a 3 times annual profit as a rough but consistent valuation for the business. Stocks and shares, ISAs, pension funds and the like. On the right, you list your liabilities such as mortgages, loans, leases, credit card debt and so on. Subtract the liabilities from the assets and hopefully you've got a positive number. Obviously, the goal is for your net worth to be a higher positive number each time you measure it. It won't always happen, especially if you had funds in the stock market in recent months. But when you set your subconscious mind the target of seeing a higher figure each month, you'll be amazed how hard it works at achieving that goal for you. On a separate tab of the spreadsheet, create your passive income planner. Across the top, set out a rolling calendar from the month you start. Down the side, list the assets you own that throw off passive income. Rental properties, whether residential or commercial, such as the care home suites that we offer. Dividends on shares, interest on savings accounts, returns on bonds and loan notes as they fall due, regular income from customers through membership subscriptions and the like. When you first start, the spreadsheet may be blank. Imagine how you'll feel as you start to see tens, then hundreds, then thousands of pounds of passive income falling due in the year ahead. That's the start of financial independence. Money coming in for which you do no new work. It quietly builds up to the point where you realise that you have some choices. Maybe I only need to work 3 or 4 days a week now. Maybe I can take that 3-month world tour. From time to time, you'll have a liquidity event, the sale of a business or property, an inheritance, a maturing endowment policy. Each of these is a trigger point for reviewing your portfolio and seeing what you can do to increase your passive income. If you remember nothing else from this series, please remember this. Passive income equals financial independence. Focus your energy on increasing your passive income, and it's the fastest route to financial freedom. The investments you'll see in the Elite Investor Club portfolio are almost exclusively geared to increasing passive income. Here are just a few examples which are current at the time we're recording this. The Dementia Care Home Suites offering 10% a year for up to 25 years with an investment of just over 50k. The London Burial Plots offering a 40% capital gain in 2 years or less for an investment starting at less than £10,000. the American social housing offering 42% in 3 years, the specialised care loan note offering 18% in 18 months. The list goes on. I hope you've enjoyed this 7-part mini-series. Let me finish with a summary of the 7 steps. First, make a logical and emotional decision to take personal control of your financial future. Then, make a conscious effort to educate yourself through books, videos, live events, and the specialist press. Third, get yourself connected with like-minded people and experts who can help you get to where you want to be. Fourth, start acquiring assets that throw off passive income and/or capital gains. Then build businesses to kickstart your net worth. Then you want to tame the tax man so you hang on to as much of your hard-earned wealth as possible. And finally, measure your progress every month and watch the magic start to happen before your very eyes. Elite Investor Club can support you on each of the 7 steps. If you haven't already joined, go to the Join Elite page of the website and put that right now. Thanks for watching, and I wish you every success on your own journey to financial independence.